Oh, great. So it's 5 o'clock right now. Everybody, hello, hello. Give me a big, big, big welcome with a big round of applause. Everybody with a huge smile and wave your hand. Welcome, welcome, welcome. How are you all doing today? Are you all excited to be here? Show me some excitement there. Great. Welcome, welcome. Good to see. Okay, Nasa there and Manasa, Ananya and Prathana, Gargi, Bharat, and everybody out there. Great. You know what? We're going to get started, and I want to make this session super exciting because I have a lot of things to celebrate today. I have people who have completed their program. They're going to be receiving their course completion certificate. I'm super excited about that. And number two, we're going to be giving away certificates for people who participated in the timetable competition. And number three, I want to share something very, very exciting that some of the kids, they outperformed in speed writing competition. They had something super, super exciting to do and show it to us. So we all are super inspired to actually have that speed in our writing too. So are you all excited? If you're excited, say, bring it on, Imran, bring it on. And today, what I want to do is I'm going to keep my chat box open as of now. And what I'm going to ask you to do is the first 7 kids whose name is going to be on the chat box will get a chance to lead the class in doing hand exercises. You know what? You will be leading the class. I'll make you the complete focus or will be on you and you will be explaining how to do the exercises. Aapko samjhana hai. You have to tell us how to do the exercise and you will be leading the class. So now go ahead. The chat box is open. The first 7 kids will get a chance to lead the class. Okay, very good, very good. Oh my God, look at that box there. Okay, now when I give you a chance, what you have to do is you have to also explain to us as if we are understanding handwriting, the hand exercises for the first time. So I have the first to lead with. So what I'll do is I'll start with Bharat because you can all understand what I actually meant by that. And Bharat, I want you to start with the first exercise and followed by Daras so that I want everybody to understand what I'm saying. So I'm going to put Bharat into the spotlight right now. Everybody say hello to Bharat there. Everybody say hello to Bharat there. Okay, so Bharat is going to be leading the class right now. So all yours, Bharat. So go ahead. Everybody listen up. See, this is what I want you to do. So Bharat, you have to explain us what is the system, what is the process, and lead the class. Go ahead.
Yes. So first of all, everyone make a fist. Make a fist of your right hand first. Now punch your left hand and we'll count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now stop there and just shift your movement. Just shift your hands. And now punch your right hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Now rub your hands.
Awesome. As always, Bharat, the star there. So everybody give a big round of applause for Bharat. Good job, Bharat.
Yes, sir.
Now let's go to the next person in the sequence. So the first person was Bharat. Now I want to go to Dharas, and Dharas is going to be helping us do the second exercise. Everybody say hello to Dharas there. Yes, Dharas.
Hi, sir.
Say hello to everybody. Dharas, go ahead. Show us the second exercise.
First, make a cup.
Yes, and count 10. Count 10. Come on.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hands.
Great. So that was Dharas, and he did a great job. Can we welcome and say thank you to Dharas there? Thank you, Dharas, for making that happen. So that was Dharas. So who's the third one who's going to be leading the class? So let me go to Nasha. Come on. Everybody say hello to her there, and let's bring in her onto the spotlight right now. Yes, all yours, dear. Go ahead. Unmute yourself. Yes, now. Yes. Explain us the third exercise, and everybody say hello to her there. Yes, Nasha.
The third exercise is you have to make a right finger
Yeah, you have to be loud, dear. We can't hear you. Be a little louder.
We have to make this kind of pose, and then we have to cross, and then we have to bang. 1, 2,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And shift over one more round. Yes.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and rub your hands.
Great. Good job. That's a star there. Good job. Congratulations. That was a super performance. So let's go to Shrisha now. Shrisha, are you ready? You're going to help us do the next exercise. So everybody says hello to Shrisha there. Shrisha is the new entrant into our community. And Shrisha, wave your hand and say hello to everybody. So what is the next exercise? Tell us, explain us, then take us through. Yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hand.
Awesome. So that's a new student with us, a new community member. So that is Trisha there. And now let's go to the fifth exercise. And fifth exercise, I have Aditya there. Aditya, Adi, are you ready for it? So everybody say hello to Aditya there. And we're going to bring him into the spotlight. And Aditya, you are going to help us to do the fifth exercise. Everybody position, fifth exercise. Come on, Aditya, take us through.
Actually, I don't know that.
Oh, okay. I'm going to help you. Come on, do it with me. Number 5 is where you're going to do both the hands together like this. And let's get on to doing it. Everybody, come on, join me and Aditya. And we're going to teach you the fifth exercise. Come on, everybody, join me here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Hold on. One more round. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hands. Thank you, Adi, for being honest. But you have to practice every day, Adi, so that you will also understand how to go about it. So we're going to go to number 6 exercise. And for that, we have Pratna with us. Everybody say hello to Pratna there. So where is Pratna? Let me just welcome her. Yes, she's there. So go ahead, Pratna. Let's welcome Pratna there. And yes, Pratna, you are in spotlight right now. Go ahead.
Make a twist of both hands. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Twist it to the other hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Rub your hands.
Great job. That was Pratna for you. Now let's go to the 7th exercise. So who's going to help us with the 7th exercise? We are going to be bringing in Balechka there. So everybody say hello to Balechka there. And Balechka, join me in doing the 5th, the last exercise, the 7th one. Come on, Balechka, position, explain to us and get us rolling. Come on.
First, we have to twist the hand, and then we have to punch the hands for 10 seconds.
Yeah,
One.
Balechka, we're going to be using this part. Come on, Balechka, this one. Yes. In the inner
Okay,
wrist.
sir.
Yeah.
Yes. Sir. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We are going to do it again in the other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Then rub your hands. Thank you,
Good
sir.
job. Yes, good job. Can we have a big applause for all the stars who helped me in doing the hand exercises? Welcome, welcome. That's the super start of this session. So are you all excited? If you're excited, show me some excitement and say, yes, Imran, we all are excited. Show me some excitement there. Yes, with a big smile on. Super awesome. Great. Welcome, welcome. So I want to start my session with celebrating the timetable competition. You know what? We ran a competition and we actually had a lot of entries coming in, and we had tough time selecting the top 3 winners. And dear kids, timetable is highly important. How many of you have understood the concept? You have already started following it, but now there is a chance for you. Those of you could not participate in the timetable competition. The entries are still open for the next masterclass. I'm going to be rerunning the competition for timetable. Now you will be watching these 3 wonderful winners, and now you have a chance to apply for the competition and participate. The last date for the entries is Sunday 5 p.m. and you have to be posting it onto the next level WhatsApp group, your entries there. Are you all excited about it? If you're excited, show me some excitement there. Yes, Imran, super excited. So I'm here to share with you. I'm super excited to share with you about the timetable, and I have winners with me. And before I actually show you that, let me tell you about the timetable. The idea behind timetable competition is, dear kids and dear parents, my focus is that your children need to bring in discipline. When I say discipline, it's all about getting to plan in such a way that everything has a time, and in that time, everything happens. Okay, so everything has its time, and in that time, everything happens. So if you can bring in this discipline, you can actually plan your day in such a way that you can learn so many new things and you can become more persistent and consistent in every aspect of your life. So I have these wonderful kids from different background. I will be introducing introducing them to you, and I will be also playing the video which they shared. And dear kids, it's your chance to watch them, understand, and apply for the competition. Who here wants to be the next winner for the timetable competition? If you are here, give me a big yes. Yes, Imran, I want to participate. I want to win the certificate for participating in the competition. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to be playing a video for you of the winners. So let me get started with that. And ladies and gentlemen, I have the winners ready with me. So welcome to the masterclass. Let's get you started. So the part 1 is hand exercises. We just completed that. Thank you so much to all the star kids who actually participated and showed us how to go about doing the exercise. Make sure you practice it on a regular basis. Part 2 is here with the winners of time management. Out of all the entries, the 3rd place, the bronze medal, the 3rd place goes to Pratna there. Everybody, can we have a big round of celebration for Pratna there? Pratna, congratulations. You get the 3rd place, the bronze medal for participating in the the timetable competition, and you got the 3rd place. So let us see her timetable. Look at how beautiful, so colorful. And you know what? The best part is now we will be listening to Pratna. She'll be explaining to us how she's going to be following her timetable. And dear kids, if you want to be part of the competition, this is what you need to do. You need to send us your timetable, and you need to also make a short video explaining to us how your timetable, you're going to be executing it. So let's get started with Pratna. Go ahead.
Hello everyone, I am Prarthana. Today I am going to explain my timetable. So, first is sleeping. I slept 11 to 7, which is 8 hours. Next, prayer. In morning, I prayed for 15 minutes, and in the evening, 20 minutes. Total 35 minutes. Next, hobby. They took 2 hours 30 minutes. My hobbies are drawing, dancing and singing. Next, food time. My food time is 1 hour 30 minutes. Next, school time. My school is from 9 to 1, which is 4 hours. Next, handwriting time. I spent for writing half an hour. Next, study. In the afternoon, I study for 1 hour, and in the evening, I study for 1.5 hours, which 2 hours 30 minutes. Next, friends. My friends' time is 1 hour 30 minutes. Next, television. My television time is 3 hours. In the afternoon, I watch for 1 hour, and in the evening, I watch for 2 hours, which is 3 hours. Thank you.
Great. So that was Pratna there. So everybody, big round of applause for Pratna for participating in this competition and getting into the third place. And you know what, Pratna, I do some have inputs to give you on your timetable, but we're going to catch up during our one-to-one session. But right now, can we celebrate the winning of Pratna with a big round of applause? Come on, everybody, show me some energy there and excitement there. So if Pratna is here, I want to hear from Pratna which standard she is in and what is she studying. So everybody, let's bring in Pratna and congratulate her. So Pratna, unmute yourself and tell us which standard you are in and which school do you go to, beta?
I am in class 6th. I go to NCRDS studying school, which is in Bhosri.
Great. So congratulations on winning the third place. Are you feeling excited?
Yes, sir.
Great. Congratulations. Wish you all the very best. We'll be sending you the certificate onto the no, the group which we all are part of. Now it's time to go to the second place for the competition. We have the silver medal to go give it away. And by the way, how many of you are inspired to get this for yourself? You know what, Imran, I want to participate in the next week, next masterclass, and let's get you rolling right now. The winner for the silver medal is, let's go to the PPT right now. Congratulations, Akshat Singh. Akshat got the second place silver medal. Congratulations, Akshat. Come, let's see his performance. Everybody, this is Akshat. Everybody say hello to Akshat and let's hear him out.
Good evening. I am Akshat Singh from class 6, Green Valley Public School, West Jalukbari, Guwahati. This is my timetable. I will wake up on 6 a.m. and will sleep on 9:15. I have pasted this timetable near my bed so that whenever I woke up, my eyes will firstly fall on it. Thank you.
Great. So that was Akshat. Can we have a big applause for Akshat for being the winner? Ladies and gentlemen, we have the silver medal, and Akshat, the certificate will go to you. And where is Akshat? Akshat is here. So I want to acknowledge Akshat. Yes, Akshat is here. So everybody say hello to Akshat there. Congratulations for winning the silver medal, second place in the performance. Great. So now let's go to the winner, the star who has won the first place. So ladies and gentlemen, join me in announcing the winner. The first place goes to, yes, Bharat Chopra. Congratulations, Bharat. Big round of applause to you. And come, let's see his performance. Everybody onto the screen right now. Watch Bharat performing. And I think this should be what you will be doing when you are going to be competing in the next masterclass. And the entries are open until Sunday, and you have to be sending it by 5 p.m. So let's hear from Bharat.
Hello everyone. Today I, Bharat Chopra, student of grade 8, Aisha School Parvanu, is here to show you my timetable. Time and tide waits for none. I follow my timetable very strictly. So this is my timetable. Wake up time 5:30 am. Physical activity from 5:40 am to 7:10 am, which is 1 hour and 30 minutes. Get ready for school 7:10 am to 7:30 am, which is 20 minutes. I do my breakfast between 7:30 am to 8 am, which is 30 minutes. My school time is 8 am to 2:30 pm, which is 6 hours and 30 minutes. My lunch time is 2:40 pm to 3:10 pm, equals 30 minutes. My study time is from 3:15 pm to 5 pm, which is 1 hour and 45 minutes. My writing time, which is of penmanship, is from 5 pm to 5:40 pm, which is 40 minutes. My milk time is from 5:40 pm to 6 pm, which is 20 minutes. My spiritual time will be from 6 pm to 6:30 pm, which is 30 minutes. My study time is from 6:30 pm to 8:45 pm, which is 2 hours and 15 minutes. My hobby or TV time is from 8:45 pm to 10 pm, equals 1 hour and 15 minutes. I'll sleep from 10 pm to 5:30 am, which is 7 hours and 30 minutes. So my total time equals 24 hours. Thank you.
Great. Can we hear a big applause for Bharat? Congratulations, Bharat. And you are the winner of the gold medal, the first performance. Can we hear a big applause for Bharat? So let me bring him onto the screen right now and let's all celebrate Bharat. Come on, everybody, give him a big round of applause. He is the first place winner for the competition. So, everybody, this is Bharat. So, Bharat, which standard are you studying in? Tell us more about yourself, beta.
Yes, sir. So I'm studying in 8th standard and I study in Aisha School Parvano. And so today only it was announced in our school that our school has ranked second in the best co-ed schools in Himachal Pradesh and among the top 500 schools in India. It has also received a pretty high rank. And there are total 25,000 CBSE schools. So it is a great achievement from our
Awesome.
school.
Great. So I already knew you are a star and you belong to a star school. Congratulations. And I'm super, super proud of you. Can we have a big applause for Bharat, everybody? And all the three winners. So that is Bharat who got the first place. The second place goes to Pratna. So this is Pratna there. And let me also bring in Akshat so we all know who are the winners. So we also have Akshat Singh. So Akshat is here. So these are the winners for the competition on time management. So everybody, good job. I really, really, wish you all the very best. Looking forward to winning you more events in the coming days. So now it's your turn. All the new members of the community, it's your turn. So if you're ready to win, I want to see your name on the chat box and tell, yes, Imran, next competition, I'm going to be winning. What you have to do is you have to tell us how you are effectively going to be using your everyday 24 hours, and which includes the most concrete aspects. You should definitely have a specific sleeping time and wake up time, your meal time. You should definitely have a hobby, spiritual activity, and you should definitely do physical activity, and also handwriting activity should be a part of it. And I want you to always have some fun and also learn, and that's the beautiful part about the entire 24 hours planning. So everybody, I want to see your names, and you're going to be competing for getting the best three performances. And by next masterclass, you will be getting to know who are the winners in the next masterclass. So congratulations to all the winners. So if you want to submit, you have to submit it by Sunday, 5 p.m. on the Next Level WhatsApp group. Now it's time to move forward with the announcements. Let's go into our presentation right now. Let's check what is it. You know what? Your program, handwriting program, has many dimensions into it. And one of the dimension is we start with finger flexion activity. So everybody, you know the type of materials you all get, right? So you know all the materials you get. You start with finger flexion activity. You actually win a badge for completing that book, and then you go with letter formation, and then you go to the connectivity, the spacing, all these things. But I know what? The best part of the books and the material is the speed writing competition. And you know what? I have two kids who did wonderful when it comes to the speed writing. I know it is pretty challenging. The idea is, I'll show you, everybody listen up. I want you to understand what I'm talking about, because I want you to be acknowledged in my next session. So this is what I want you to be present to. So dear kids, watch me here. I have my students who outperformed rest of all in terms of the performance. Now, this is the speed writing competition book. And what happens here is that I'm sure if you have done this, you're aware of it. If you're not done this, you will get to see this very, very soon in your progress. See, we start with 8 words. And you look at the size of the words. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. That means it's a 4-letter word. And those words are 8 in number, and you're supposed to write this in 1 minute's time. And you get multiple attempts. So you may not able to write it in first attempt, so you may do it in second attempt. So what we do is we gradually keep increasing from 8 words to 12 words. And time remains the same. It is only in a minute's time. And from 12 words, you will be increasing to 14 words. But you know what? The time remains the same. So not only here, look at this, kids, not only the 4-letter words, I also have little bigger words. You know what? We are also going to be going for 6-letter words, and the strategy remains the same. Can you see? It's 8 words here. which are little bigger in size compared to what we started with. We started with 4 letters and this is 6 letters, and we gradually keep increasing to 8 to 12 and 14 to 16. And you know what? It does not stop there. We also have paragraph writing. You're supposed to write this entire paragraph in 5 minutes of time. And this is what you will be learning in the, speed writing material in your next material, in the next level program. Are you all excited about this? Come on, everybody, give me some excitement. Yes, Imran, I'm looking forward to it. So today, what I want to do is I want to acknowledge 2 wonderful kids who have actually done a great job. And I want to acknowledge them for doing such a wonderful job. And I want to show you speed can be possible with legibility and also with comprehension. If you want to see them, if you want to understand their performance, everybody come on, say, bring it on, Imran. I want to see them. Who are they? And very soon you can also be a part of it. And these kids are, the first one I want to get started with is, let's go to the first kid who has done a great job, and that is Sanjeet. And I have Sanjeet and his performance. So everybody look up on the screen. Sanjeet not only wrote the words which are 4 in size or 6 in size, look at, he is able to write 16 words in a minute's time. Can you see this, everybody? And look at the size of the words. Everybody count how many letters are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That means it's a pretty big word, and he's able to clock this 16 words of such a big one in a minute's time, in just one attempt. Sounds exciting, everybody? How many of you sounds exciting? You know what? Yeah, you can also do this. And that's what the training is about. That's what we want you to have in your personality, that you can also write. How many of you want to write like Sanjeet, Imran? I also want to be writing it faster with legibility and everything. Give me a big S. Come on, everybody, give me a big S. Yeah, it's possible. It's definitely possible. And that's the idea about the training. We will train you to attain that level of competitiveness. Now, I want to also show you another kid who has actually done a brilliant job after Sanjeet. And this kid is so wonderful, because I know Sanjeet is a multi-talented person. Now, I also have Anaga. Everybody say hello to Anaga there. And Anaga is somebody who has actually done a brilliant job. Anaga is a trained classical dancer. She has, very high, inclination towards culture and art and performance. And you should definitely meet her. And now look at her performance. I want to show you her performance, and I'm going to be showing you her PDF file, which she just shared with me, because this is amazing. This is really, really amazing. And this is how it's going to be. Okay. So now I want to show you her gradual progress. Look at, this is Anaga's performance. Everybody look at this Anaga's performance. Anaga was consistently, how many of you are able to see that Anaga is able to follow all the 4 elements in the handwriting? Everybody give me a, put your hand up if you're able to see. Can you see there is a consistency in all the letters? Are you able to see that? Give me a big yes. Very good. Now, how many of you are able to see that she's also consistently connecting one letter with the another? Makes sense, everybody? Give me a big yes. Number 3, look at the zones. The going up, the going down, all the letters are beautifully defined. Are you able to see the consistency? And plus all the spacing and everything, after the 4 elements, the 5th element is the speed. Now look at Anaga clocked this 8 words in a minute's time. You see this? In less than a minute's time, from less than a minute, 58 seconds. Now she also did the second attempt. She got it 1 minute. So look at her gradual changing. From 8 words, she went to 12 words. And even when she is writing the 12 words, she is able to do it in 1 minute's time. And look at that consistency in letter formation, connectivity, spacing, everything is included there. So dear kids, I want you to bring in this level of performance. And you know what? It is possible when you follow the structure, when you follow the material, and you're able to clock it. So how many of you want to get acknowledged like this? So what I'm going to do is, everybody who performs well in every aspect of your material, maybe connectivity, maybe zones, maybe the letter formation, I want to acknowledge you like this in the master class. So who here wants to get acknowledged for your best performance in the master class, next master class, which we're going to have 15 days from now. And I'm going to share that date and timing with you. So how many of you want to get acknowledged? Yes, Imran, I want to be there. the wow, that's really nice. So look at this, everybody. This is how it's going to be. And not only this, look at Anika has tremendously performed. Look at this. She has gone from 12 words to 14. And you know what? Look at her performance. Consistency. She's still able to do it in 1 minute's time. And now you will be surprised. Look at the size of the words she's writing. Look at the size of the words. It's increasing. But you know what? Her time still is 1 minute. She's able to clock it. How many of you want to be that? Look at that. 14 words. And look at the size of the words. This is 6-letter words. So if you're in high school, if you're in 7th or 8th standard, you'll definitely have to be clocking this much of time. Look at this. Big words. Look at how beautifully she's connecting one letter with the another. Look at the spacing. Look at the zones. Everything is taken care of. And Anaga not only did this, look at she's increasing her size of the letters. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And still she is able to clock it in a minute's time. And this is Anaga for you all. And she also started writing in a paragraph. She's writing on the plain sheet. She's writing in the single line book. And that's how. And you know what? She has not yet completed her program. She's going to be getting her certificate, maybe in the coming masterclass. So this is what is possible. So how many of you want to be doing this? Imran, I want to do this. I want to have a better performance. I want to write like Anaga, and I want to do it. Come on, give me a big yes with a big nod. Come on, everybody. Energy there. Awesome. Now, are you ready to the third part? The third part is today is a celebration. You know what? Some of the senior students, what do I mean by senior means? They started my handwriting class before you. So that's why they become senior. And they are going to be receiving their course completion certificate. And I'm going to be uploading all these certificates onto the group. So how many of you are looking at completing your program in the best possible way, in the best possible time? And I want you to receive this certificate. And before I do that, I want to check if Sanjeet and Anaga is here. Okay. Okay. We'll go to the celebrations right now. And I want to call upon each one of you to receive these certificates. And let's get you rolling right now. And that is part 4, celebrating a milestone. And by the way, the moment I say that you are completing the program, it does not mean that we are saying bye to you. Are you all with me? Okay. Isha, Manasa, Marzia, everybody, Krisha, who's completing the program, listen up. This is not a bye from us. It's just a celebration of milestone. I want you to be in touch with me. I want you to keep coming to the masterclass. I want you to keep showing me your performance in your school, in your exams and everything. Will you commit me? Come on, everybody. Great. So I don't want to say bye to you all because certification is basically celebrating a milestone. So let me start with Isha. So everybody say, Isha, congratulations for completing the program and receiving your course completion certificate. So let me check if Isha is here. I'm going to be bringing in Isha so we can all say, is Isha there? So everybody say hello to Isha there. Isha, wave your hand. Congratulations, Isha. How are you feeling to receive this certificate? Can we hear from you? Which stand are you studying in, beta?
Good evening, sir. I'm studying in 7th grade in Dean's Academy. I'm feeling very delighted and happy for giving me this opportunity to learn with you. My handwriting has improved a lot and my notebooks are very clean now. Thank you, sir.
Great. See, this is what we want you to do. More than the certificate, your work should be speaking for itself. So Isha, thank you so much for being here and inspiring all of us so that we all are going to be working towards completing our program to the best of it and receive this certificate. Can we hear a big applause for Isha there? Congratulations, Isha. And now let's go to the next person who has completed this program and receiving the certificate today. Is Arna there? I want to welcome Arna. I'll check if Arna is present with us. Is Arna there? Arna, if you're here, just put your hand up. So let me check if Arna is here. I want to call in. Okay, I don't see Arna. So everybody, let's hear a bigger applause for Arna for completing the program. And let's go. Arna is basically completing the program. And let's go to Isha. Isha, where's Arna?
So she's in a class.
Oh, okay. So Arna is not able to make it, but they're siblings, okay? And they did the program together. So that's Arna. And now I have the next participant who's completing the program, and we're going to be celebrating And they are two wonderful sisters. One is Amira and the other one is Marzia. So let's welcome them and celebrate their completion of the program. I'm super excited for them. Everybody say hello to Marzia and Amira there. Great. So introduce yourself, children, and tell us more about yourself. Yes, we can hear you.
Good evening, sir. I'm Marzia. I'm standard. I study in Bishop Cotton Girls School, and I'm really glad to receive the certificate. Thank you.
Congratulations. I wish you all the very best. Now let's hear from Amira now.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, everybody. I'm Amira Kausar from Bishop Cotton Girls School. I'm studying in 6th standard, and I'm very happy to receive the certificate.
Great. Congratulations. And these are the two wonderful sisters who completed the program, and they're going to be receiving the certificate. As I told everybody, I'm going to repeat that again. This is not a buy from us. We're not saying that, okay, you've done the program, now you have to go now. I want you to be a part of this community. Keep coming for the master classes and always keep sharing your progress in your school, in your exam, in your test papers, whatever you're writing, so that we are a part of your celebration. So the next student is Akshaj Goel. Congratulations. Can we hear a big applause for Akshaj for completing the program? And we also have Ananya and Manasa. So these are the two wonderful sisters again who completed the program. So can we hear a big applause for Ananya and Manasa? So let me bring them on if they are present here. So I'm just checking. Manasa is here and I'm going to bring her into the spotlight. I'm looking for Ananya. Ananya, where are you so that I can bring you onto the screen? Yes, I can see Ananya too. And everybody, let's celebrate their completion of program. Congratulations. So let's hear from Manasa first and then Ananya. Yes, Manasa.
Yes, so I'm actually happy that I completed this handwriting program. It's been it's been long since I've done the handwriting thing since my exams are going on. But then, yeah, I've seen the improvement, the speed management and all. And after I did the masterclass, regarding the timetable and all the sessions I've attended, it's actually useful for me. So thank you, sir.
Great. God bless you. And I'm really, really happy for you. And let's go to Ananya now. And Ananya is a sibling of Manasa there. So Ananya, let's hear from you, dear.
Good evening, sir. So hello, everyone. I'm Ananya and I'm in 9th standard. And I'm really to have come to this Global Penmanship Academy because this is where I could improve my handwriting a lot. And I could see the consistency and I could see the connectivity in everything that I wrote. And it was very beautiful. So thank you, sir.
Great. Congratulations. And I wish you all the very best. Keep shining like the brightest star and wish you all the very best. See, this is the beautiful part. Dear kids, I don't want to just give away the certificate. The certificate is basically a celebration of a milestone that you accomplish something, but I want you to gear up and, complete this program at the best possible time and be in touch with me even after the program gets over. So let's go and let's find out who is next in the list. So we have Krisha here. Everybody, let's celebrate. Congratulations, Krisha, for completing the program. And let's bring Krisha onto the spotlight right now. Everybody say hello to Krisha there. Yes, Krisha.
Hi, everyone. Good evening. I study in 7th standard in Auxilium Convent High School, Girls School, and I am feeling really happy to achieve this certificate.
Great. Congratulations, Beta. And I'm really looking forward to you continuing with us and keep sharing your progress. So ladies and gentlemen, this is what we wanted to share with you, celebration of the milestones. And how many of you want to complete your program and receive this wonderful certificate sent to you for doing the worst of work? Give me a big S. Come on, everybody. Give me a big S. Awesome. Celebrations are on. Great. Now, every masterclass, our focus is to bring in more commitment. So what I'm going to do right now is I'll ask my team to share with you when are our next, computation deadline, and that will be you have one computation that is timetable. And as you all know, if you're starting my class with me, you have to first show me your timetable, which is very important. I want you to plan your day and plan your time and then only get started with the handwriting program. And number two is I'm going to be giving away certificates for people who are showing me their timetable in the best colorful manner and making a short video explaining to us about the timetable. And you have to send it to us by this Sunday at 5 o'clock. So please make a note, everybody. I'm posting this on your chat box. The timeline for submissions is 5 p.m. on 28th of November, this Sunday. So if you want to participate, you have to send in your entries. You need to make a beautiful chart. You need to make a big chart paper, colorful, and make sure all the elements which we have discussed with you are there on the timetable. Take a short video, explain us how you're going to be executing the timetable, and send in your entries. The best 3 performance will receive an acknowledgement certificate from me. So how many of you are going to be doing that? Very good. Very good. So now the next part of the session. I hope you all are aware that when we do masterclass, one of the important intention of masterclass is to give you a lifestyle of a champion student. How many of you here want to be the next champion student? Can you give me a champion student move? Come on, everybody. Yes, Imran, I want to be the champion student. Very good. So if you want to be a champion student, every masterclass, I want to teach you something extraordinary. And today I want to give away something called as a study technique. Everybody say this, study technique. So if you want to be a champion student, you should be working harder or you should be working smarter. Hello? If you're a champion student, do you think you should be working harder or you think you should be working smarter? Okay. Imran, what is the difference between working harder and working sharper? So I want to tell you a story. Are you all with me? Do you want to listen to a story? So the story is of a person who was a woodcutter. You know, his job was to go to the forest and make the big trees fall and collect the wood for various usages. So there was a person who was very, very, good muscles. Okay, just like me. Can you see my muscles? Yeah, there was a person with amazing muscles, great body, and really, really fit. But the problem with that boy, the man was, he was jobless. So what he did was he went around the town looking for the job, and he crossed a timber, yard. In the timber yard, what he saw was there was a vacancy available for a person who can actually axe the trees and bring the wood to the timber yard. So he went to the manager and said, "Sir, I'm looking for a job. Can you please give me a job? I have good muscles. I can actually make big trees fall down. So I can actually make a good contribution to your business and your work." So the manager saw his physics my manager was pretty impressed about that. And he gave him a new axe and he said, "Join me from today." So the man was very happy that he got a job. He took the axe, he went to the forest, and the first day he was able to fell 10 big trees on the first day itself. And the manager was very happy. "Oh, you're doing such a great work and you're able to contribute more to the work." On day 2, he was able to fall 9 trees. And day 3, he was able to fall 8 trees. Day 4, he was able to fall 7 trees. And you know what? In the end of the week, from morning to evening, he was struggling to make 1 tree fall down. Remember, this man had huge physique. This man had all the muscle required. But you know what he did was, he was struggling to make 1 tree fall down after 7 days of continuous working. What do you think is the reason? If you have an answer, go ahead, type it on the chat box and tell me what is the answer. What do you think is possible? What do you think is the answer? How do you think this person, why is his performance went down and down and down? Come on, everybody, tell me, what do you think is the answer? Who here has an answer? Why do you think? Okay, Manasa says, Imran, he was probably tired. Okay, Aditya says, Imran, maybe he was not really interested in worker. Okay, Madiha says, because he was working harder, but not smarter. Okay, yes, okay. What do you think is the reason? Gargi says he worked harder on the before day, yes. Anasta says no motivation. Krisha says, okay, he was putting in efforts. But you know what? How many of you want to know the answer? Give me a big guess if you want to know the answer. You know what? even though he had the best of acts, even though he had the best of physics, even though he had the best of muscles, his performance came deteriorating every single day. You know why? Because from the busy day of working, he did not take some time off to sharpen his axe. So every day he was using the axe, but he forgot to sharpen the axe. That's why no matter how hard he was hitting on the trees were not falling down. Make sense now, everybody? So as students, you are, yes, Aditya said the right answer. And I also had and a couple of kids who gave me the right answer. But you know what? This is what the problem with the kids are. This is what everybody tells. You know what? Study harder, put in hard work, you will get results. But what is important is you need to also learn to, yes, Madhya, go ahead. You need to also learn to sharpen your axe. That's why you need programs like this, wherein you come here, you get motivated, you learn other skills apart from your academics, so that you go back with more motivation, sharpening your mind and your thing. And you know what? Everybody has to work towards making their mind sharper than working harder. Are you all with me? So there are many study techniques available, dear kids, which will help you to study more smarter. So what is important right now is you need to be really understanding the concept of studying really, really smart. So I want to teach you. So every master class you come in, I want to help you to sharpen your memory, to sharpen your ability, so that you don't work hard, you work smart. Are you all with me? Give me a big yes if you're with me. So from next masterclass onwards, I want to teach you study techniques which will help you to remember better. Remember, why am I emphasizing so much about you having a great memory? Why I'm emphasizing so much about you having a better, handwriting? You know why? In the examination hall, there are only two things which will help you. So what are the two things which will help you in the examination hall? In the examination hall, there are only two things which will help you. Your teachers will not help you. Your friends will not help you. Your textbook will not be of your help. There are only two things which can help you in the examination hall. So what are the two things? What are the only two things? Yeah, you can use the chat box and answer me. What are the only two things which will help you in the examination hall? Because nothing will come your handy other than these two things. So come on, everybody, give me answers. Okay, Balishka says, Imran, my sharp mind. Kavya says, pen and paper. Definitely, you need to have pen and paper. Okay, Bharat says, Imran, it's about memory and speed. Okay, very good. Ritvik says, handwriting and presentation. Very good, Ritvik. Marzia says, memory and hard work. Yes, Marzia and Amira. And Akshat Singh says, memory and energy. Very good. You know what? The right answer is yes, Daksh. Thank you. Handwriting. Adish says, handwriting and focus. Nasta says quick and smart thinking. Okay, the answer is the only two things which will help you in your examination hall, when you're inside in the examination hall, when you're sitting on your desk with all your stationery around, the only two things which will help you is how much you remember of what you have studied. And number two is how much you can write out of what you have remembered. Everybody, the only two things which will help you in your examination hall is how much you remember of what you have studied. Because I know everybody knows everything, but you should also remember that, right? You need to also recall it. And number two is you should be able to write what you remember in a stipulated time. समझ में आ गया? ये दो चीजें हैं, एक जितना आपने याद रखा हुआ है और दूसरा जितना आप लिख सकते हैं जो आपने याद रखा हुआ है. So you need to invest more time in sharpening these two skills. First skill is how much you remember, and second skill is how much you can write out of what you have remembered. Make sense now, everybody? So most of the kids here are very good at registering. Say this word, everybody. You are always studying. You're always trying to remember. But you know what? The problem is not only studying. One of the important aspect is you should also learn to recall. And recall on demand. Say this word, everybody. Recall on demand. How many of you have a challenge in your examination hall? You look at the question paper, you know the answer, but the answer is not coming out. it is still here, it's not coming out. So the exam gets over, you come back home, you're having your lunch, and then you remember, oh, this was the answer. Oh, this was there in this page number. Has it happened with you? How many kids have experienced this? Has it happened with you? You recall the answer after the exam gets over. So the problem, dear kids, is that the problem is not the memory. Kisi ki memory kharab nahi hai. And most of the kids have this misconception, Imran, my memory is poor. You know what? Your memory is so good, you will tell me the movie which you have watched 10 years back, you will tell me the story today. Make sense now? Yeah? You will tell me what song will come, what words will come, after this song. Your man, everybody has awesome memory. There's no problem with your memory. How? Look at the smiles on everybody's faces there, no? Yeah? Agree, right? You can tell me a movie which you saw 10 years back, 5 years back. Yeah. Bahubali came about 4-5 years back. Now the movie is playing on the TV. You will tell what is the next dialogue. You will tell what will happen next. You will always ready to do it. And the problem is not the memory. The problem is recalling. Say this word, everybody. The problem is recalling. When on demand recalling. So that's why in one day, whatever you study, if you're studying for 2 hours, you need to spend time, at least half an hour, to recall what you have studied in 2 hours. Make sense? So not only registering, you need to also learn recalling. So based on these concepts, in my next masterclass, I want to teach you smart study techniques. So how many of you want to understand? And yes, Imran, I want to learn smart study techniques because I don't want to work hard. I want to work smart. How many of you want to do that? Yes. So next class, I'm going to show you how you can remember big answers, how you can remember, how you can actually plan your science as a subject. What do you need to do for mathematics? How do you remember the big formulas, big theorems? Are you all with me? How do I remember poems, Imran? How do I remember, the history, numbers and everything? So I'm going to show you a short, brief about what all we're going to be doing right now. So number 5 is smart study technique. So I'm going to teach you something called as mnemonic method, mnemonic chain method. Say this word, everybody. Mnemonic chain method. For example, if you want to remember all the colors of the rainbow, what is the short form for it? If you want to remember the violet, indigo, blue, green, and you want to remember this in the sequence, what is the short form we use for that? Yes, VIBGYAR, right? So we're going to say VIBGYAR, and VIBGYAR, when you write down, you know that, okay, Imran, V stands for violet, I stands for indigo, B for blue. So this is how you remember. So there are study techniques which will help you to remember all these colors by just remembering one word. So I'm going to be teaching you how to remember all the planets, 9 planets. If you want to remember how you can actually remember that, I'm going to take up things from your textbook. You may be in CBSE, you may be in state syllabus. I will take it from one textbook at a time, one chapter at a time, and I'm going to help you apply this. Make sense now, everybody? How many of you will be interested in learning this from me? Yeah. How many of you are already applying this in your academics? Have you been doing this? Okay, I saw only Balishka and Daksh putting the hand up. Very good, kids. But I want to teach you all because I want you all to be a champion student. Everybody, how many of you want to be a champion student? Yeah. Everybody, yes. I'm going to help you to get this right, but promise me that you're going to show up in my next masterclass. So that's what my commitment is. You have already enrolled into the community where you're getting trained into handwriting. That is taken care of. But as a bonus, I also want to add up all these elements. Are you ready for that? Give me some excitement. Yes, Imran, I'm ready for that. So please be regular for my masterclass. And those of you who have already completed the program, congratulations to all of you who have completed the program. And there are many more techniques. How many of you want to remember? Okay. How many of you want to program your memory in such a way that you will remember anything you want and you'll also recall it whenever you want to? And I'm going to teach you all these memory techniques as a bonus because I want to help you. And don't miss out my next webinar, the next masterclass, because I'm going to be really, really excited showing you the activity, how we're going to be doing it. Okay. So right now, I want to check if somebody has connected with us and want to acknowledge that. So how many of you are going to be there in my next masterclass? So when is my next masterclass? Please make a note of the date. And I want you to be there. Don't miss it out, because in the next masterclass, you will have completion certificates given to people who have completed it. And if you're doing it very, very great, you are doing connectivity well, or if you're doing zones better, I will be acknowledging in front of everybody. Okay, so that's why pick up your performance, show me your badges which you have earned, and we're going to do that. So I'll ask my team to tell you when is my next masterclass, so you can all plan it right away. It will be on a Wednesday. It will be from 5 to 6 o'clock, and we're going to be telling you how you can actually get this thing rolling. Okay, so I'll share that. And right now, before I say bye to all of you, I want to check if somebody's here. Yeah, I see Akshaj is here. So Akshaj, go ahead, turn your video on, say hello to us, because we just gave away the certificates for kids who completed the program. Okay, Akshaj Goel. And I want to also acknowledge you for completing the program. Everybody say hello to Akshaj there. And Akshaj had completed his program, and he did it very, very awesome in a very, very great manner. And Akshaj, this is your certificate. So just let me bring that onto the screen. And let's acknowledge Akshaj for completing the program. Everybody, let's hear a big applause for Akshaj. Congratulations, Akshaj. Tell us a little bit about yourself, dear. What you study and which school are you from, Akshaj? Congratulations on receiving the certificate. Can you please unmute yourself?
Hello.
Hi, everybody say hello to Akshaj there. Wave your hands, everybody. Yes, Akshaj, please go ahead. What do you study? Which school are you from?
I'm from Adventure Academy. I'm in 7th grade.
And what is the syllabus which you study, beta?
IG.
Great. So he's from the IG, syllabus. And Akshad is a wonderful boy. He's very smart and very intelligent. And he did my handwriting program, and he put in a lot of efforts to get it right. So congratulations, Akshad. How do you feel receiving the certificate? Are you happy being there? So let me just unmute him. Yes. So this is Akshaj for you. Congratulations, Akshaj, and all of you who received the certificates today. Congratulations, Akshaj. God bless you. Wishing you all the very best. So this is what is possible for all of you. I'm really looking forward to support you in becoming the next champion student and many more acknowledgements. So it's time to say bye to all of you. And remember, ladies and gentlemen, and dear kids there, if you just started with my program, what is important is please share your timetable with me and share your email address so that I can actually share with you the online access platform. And all the kids who are receiving the certificate, I will share a link with you. I want you to share your feedback or testimonial with us, or make a short video of receiving this certificate and send it to us so that we can actually make you the young penmanship influencer, so that we can inspire other students for coming forward and learning this beautiful skill. So dear kids, it's time to say bye to all of you. Thank you so much for being here. And we're going to be meeting in our next masterclass. I will tell you the date when we're going to be meeting in the next masterclass. So everybody plan up. Our next masterclass will be on the 8th of December. Okay. So 8th of December, it's a Wednesday, 5 o'clock to 6 o'clock, 1 hour classroom. And we are going to go 1 hour straight into identifying the smart study techniques. Remember, it is not about working hard. It's about working smarter. Everybody do this. It's not about working hard. It's about working smarter. And those of you enjoyed this webinar, masterclass today, you're welcome to share on the group. What did you take back from this session? What was your learning from this session? And do share it on the group. And I'm really, really excited. Congratulations once again for the timetable competition winners and course completion certificate winners. Congratulations. Wish you all the very best. See you in my next masterclass on the 8th of December, 5 to 6 p.m. God bless you all. Bye. Surely, please be regular to get your books checked and get your performance check reviewed. Meet you on Mondays and Thursdays to get your workbook checked. So it's time to say bye to all of you. Bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, beta. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, bye.
Bye, sir.
Bye, Farhan. Good to see you, Farhan. Hey, Rohan. Good to see you. You made it to the masterclass. Good to see you. Bye, Aditya. Bye, Aditya, Raj, Praveen. Good, Rohan. You had fun attending the class? Very good. So get you started. Now, thank you. Thank you so much.
Sir, the videos are still not changed.
Yes, Rohan, you can actually watch it right now, and you can actually, it's uploaded, beta. It's been updated. How session today? Did you had a great time watching, understanding the concepts?
Yes, sir.
Great. So you can get in touch with me and check with your videos, and do let me know if you need any support.
Yes, sir.
Great. So ladies and gentlemen, if you're watching this session recorded, I welcome you to please attend my next masterclass live and do participate in the competition, share your work with us. And I'm really excited to announce the course completion. Students who are going to be completing the program, they'll also be receiving the certificate. And do catch up with me, because I'm going to be supporting you to manage effectively your study skills, so that you can be the next champion student. Let's work together and support your child being the next champion student. So thank you so much for being part of my community. I look forward to see you in my next masterclass.